Hello, English learners. Welcome back to IdiomIQ. Today, we've got something super cool for you. We're talking idioms. Those quirky phrases like break the ice or hit the hay. Ever wondered how to remember them? Well, stick around because I've got 5 foolproof tips for you. Tip number 1. Whenever you come across a new idiom, don't just read it, say it. Make a sentence with it. Like, I finally broke the ice with my new neighbor. We talked about gardening. The more you use it, the more it'll stick in your head. Easy as pie. Tip 2 is super fun. Create a wacky mental picture to go with each idiom. Imagine someone literally breaking a big sheet of ice with a hammer when they start talking. The crazier the image, the easier it'll be to remember. For tip number 3, how about an idiom of the day? Each day, pick an idiom and challenge yourself to use it. By the end of the week, you'll have a whole bunch of idioms locked and loaded. Tip 4. You know how some idioms are all about animals or food? Group them together. Next time you think of let the cat out of the bag, you'll also remember barking up the wrong tree. Cool, right? Last but not least, tip 5. Take a couple of idioms and make a story. Like, Jim wanted to break the ice at the party, so he let the cat out of the bag about his salsa dancing skills. A short story like this will help you remember how to use each idiom in real life. And that's a wrap. Try these tips out and let me know how it goes. Before you know it, you'll be an idiom pro. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and hit that subscribe button for more awesome tips.